Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a very quick explanation on how you can add tax on Casio Calculator, which is useful for quickly calculating sales tax without POS system. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, turn on your calculator, and then you will press on, and then you will just have to ready for the screen to appear, and then you will access the tax mode, and then you will just have to press shift and then tax plus for adding the tax, or tax negative for removing the tax. And then of course you will set the tax rate, and the first thing that you will have to do is enter tax rate, for example 7.5, and then you will just have to press set, and then input the price, and then you will press tax plus again, and then the calculator will display the total with tax. And yeah, that's basically how you can add tax on Casio Calculator. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.